like.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Powerman Tapperwall, and today what we are going to be doing is showing you how to use Proxychains on Kali Linux 2020.3. So guys, so we have to see if it's on first. So for me it's on, and if it's oh, it's not on. Sorry. Okay, this is how you do it. Give me a second. So service tour start. That's how we're gonna start it, and then it started, right? So now what we're gonna be doing is Proxychains. And then let's, for example, do Firefox. Running Firefox as root in a regular user session is not supported, and blah blah blah. And guys, this is not good for us, right? Like, honestly, this is not good. So yeah, I mean, because of this, we can't really use Proxychains for anything. So you try to log out, right? Let's log out, you know, and let's try going to root. So root and tour, you know, TOOR. No, root. Yeah, no, it doesn't work, right? So let me log back into my account. Give me a second. Okay, so I am back. I just paused my Bandicam. So basically what you're gonna do is cd dot dot, yeah, and then you're gonna be here. I'm gonna press Control L. That's another way to do clear. So you're gonna do password root, and you're gonna have to do this like every time you try to do anything. So yeah, you're gonna have to come into your own account, and this is for Kali Linux 2020.3, since there's no root user, I guess. I didn't really look into why. I just know there's no Kali and Kali or root and tour, you know, root username. So yeah, basically if I do password root, right, for my password I'm gonna do something simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And guys, it can always be changed, right? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this isn't really gonna be my root password. So yeah, root at Kali 2020, and guys, so we log out now. Okay, log out. I mean, you could switch user. So yeah, we're gonna switch the user, and we're gonna do root. And right now the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So then we log in, and as you can see, it worked. And let me remind you, at least for VMware Workstation, you are going to have to repeat this every single time you come on, okay? So root at Kali 2020, and then we're gonna see if the service is on first. Let's see. And it's active, so we don't have to do the step that we had to do before again. So Proxychains Firefox, right? Perfect. Awesome. So now I'm gonna do Control L since it's easier to do, I guess. So then now let's do and basically, if you don't know what Proxychains really are, as a summary, it's basically like it's basically where you don't get tracked. It makes it so you don't get tracked. That's the most simple way I could say it. It's not really like a VPN. I mean, it kind of is, but I'm not gonna really get into it in this video because that's not what this video is about. So yeah, that's basically what you gotta do, and yeah, it works. So okay, I'm gonna log out. Okay, and that was basically it for the video. And hopefully you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And technically this is gonna count for Friday's video, so don't worry. This week's video for this week's Friday is not out yet. No, this isn't gonna be that week's video. And if you guys want a Proxychains video where I explain what it is and explain how to use Proxychains, this video has to get 30 likes. Okay. No, I'm gonna do 20. Yes, 20. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and peace out, fam, and stay safe.